So guys, finally we hit the 10,000 subscribers after almost 4 to 5 years, and I just wanna make this video and thank you all for the support, for the views, for the comments and everything that you've done this channel. I mean, this is all because I just want everyone who subscribed to this channel to learn and watch the channel in particular, to learn how to repair phones, how to repair electronics correctly. And I know it's not a very big milestone, but it is a milestone for me because I put a lot in this channel, and if it wasn't you, I wouldn't continue making these videos. And to be honest, all the money that I made from this channel, I bought for myself a lot of instruments, a lot of new equipment. I'm not lying, all of the money is going back to this job, this work, so I can do more and show you better how I'm repairing every day. So yeah, thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time for the milestone. The next milestone is 100,000 subscribers. I mean, it's a big dream, but nothing is impossible. And yeah, thank you very much. See you next time.